In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Salesforce screen flow lookup component. Let's jump right in and build this together from a blank flow so you can add a clean, searchable lookup to any screen. First, sign into your Salesforce org with the right permissions to create flows. From the Salesforce homepage, open Setup. In the Setup area, use the Quick Find box so you don't have to dig through menus. Type Flows, then click Flows to open the flow list. Create a new flow and choose Screen Flow. A screen flow lets you guide users through a step-by-step experience and collect inputs along the way. Within that, the lookup component is the searchable field that lets users find and select a specific record, just like the standard Salesforce lookup you see on record pages, so it's perfect for picking an account, contact, or any custom object record right inside your flow. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add an element and select Screen. Give your screen a clear, user-friendly label. Salesforce will auto-generate the API name for this screen based on your label. That's the back-end identifier used by the system, so you don't need to edit it unless you have a specific naming convention. Now, in the screen's component panel, drag the lookup component onto the screen. This component provides a search box and results list, handles fuzzy matching, and returns the selected record's ID and details to your flow, so you can use that selection later in the process. Set the lookup's API name. This uniquely identifies the component inside the flow, which is helpful when you reference the selected record elsewhere. Next, enable the API field name setting. Turning this on ensures you're referencing the exact API field, rather than a friendly label, making your configuration more stable if someone renames a field down the road. Also enable the label option so users see a clear prompt on the screen. Use plain language like "select an account" to minimize confusion. Finally, make sure the object setting is enabled and defined so the lookup knows which object to search. Choosing the correct object keeps your results precise and your user experience smooth. When you're happy with these settings, click Done to close the screen configuration. Save your flow. Provide a descriptive flow label so teammates instantly understand its purpose. Notice the flow API name fills in automatically based on that label. Click Save again to commit your changes. That's it. You logged in, navigated to flows, created a screen flow, added a screen, dragged in a lookup, set the API name, label, and object, and saved your work. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.